Good morning, students. I am E. Philip from Kendriya Vidyalaya Vehicle Factory, Jabalpur. Before we start our lesson, I will ask you some questions. Why do you go to school? Yes, anybody? Okay, you go to school to study. Yes, anybody else? Very good. You go to school to play, not to study. Anyone else? Very good. You go to school to play as well as study. Today we will recite the poem Why. Okay? We will learn the poem Why. Listen to my poem and recite after me the second time, okay? I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not, why, by the, why. Now children, repeat after me. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not, why, by the, why. Previous slide, we learnt about a curious little boy who always used to ask the questions why this, why that, why then, why how, and used to trouble his friends and families. The second stanza, he wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. So recite after me, children. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink. Yes, yes, why sun should shine and wind should blow. Yes, and why we eat and drink. So this little child wants to know why the wood swims on water, and why does lead and marble sink in water, why does the sun shine in the sky, and why the wind should blow, and why do we eat and drink. Is it clear, children? Okay. To know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky, why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. Now you'll recite after me. He wants to know what makes the clouds. Very good. And why they cross the sky. Yes. Why sinks the sun behind the hills. Very good. And why the flowers die. So here the little child wants to know how does the clouds form and why do they cross the sky. Why does the sun sinks behind the hills in the evening and we are not able to see the sun, and why the flowers bloom and die. Have you all understood, children? Yes. To know what makes the stanza. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you'll try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. Yes, children, recite after me one by one. Some of these whys are not too hard. Very good. To answer if you'll try. Yes. Others no one ever yet, be loud, has found the reason why. Yes. Now some of the questions the child asks are not too hard. It's very simple to answer the questions he has asked. But if we try, some questions are very tough and there's no reason why things happen. Is it clear, children? Okay. Look at the picture. You can see two little children playing, and look at their eyes. They are very curious to know things. Now you can see a piece of wood floating on the water. So they are trying to know why. What is the boy doing? He's putting a heavy stone into the water. Can you tell me what will happen to the stone? Will it float on water? No, no. Okay, then it will sink in the water. Okay, very good. Now we will learn some new words from the. These are some new words. Can you see clearly? Yes, the first word is curious. The second word is lead. Third, marble. Fourth, sink. And fifth is reason. You will repeat after me. Today's new words are curious, lead, marble, sink, and reason. So quickly you will spell the words. Yes, one of you. Curious. Yes. Very good. Second. Yes. Next child. Yes. Lead. Lead. Yes. Third one. Anyone else? Yes. 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 marble. Marble. Next from this side, girls. Yes. Sink. 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 Very good. Yes. This side. Reason. Okay. reason. So now we will learn the meanings of the new words. Next word is marble. Meaning is small glass balls. All of you play with marbles? Yes. All of you have seen marbles? Yes. Now use in sentence. My sentence is, all of us love to play with marbles. Repeat children. All of us love to play with marbles. Do you have any other sentence? Yes, very good. I have 10 marbles. Good, very good. Marble is made out of glass. Okay, very good. Now your next word is sink. Now the meaning of sink is go below the surface. It can be water. Go below the surface of water. Yes, repeat. What is the meaning of sink? Go below the surface. Use in sentence. My sentence is, iron nails sink in water. Do you have any other sentence? Yes? Yes? Yes. Stones sink in water. Very good. Clap for this boy. He said stones sink in water. Yes. Other than this, heavy? Heavy, yes. Okay. Heavy things sink in water. Very good. Clap for this girl also. Next word is reason. Now look at the meaning of reason. A cause. What is the meaning of reason? Yes, students, louder. A cause. I use in sentence. My sentence is, my teacher asked the reason for scoring less in the test. Read out, children. My teacher asked the reason for scoring less in the test. Yes. Any other sentence from your side? Yes. I know the reason why he is absent today. Very good. Good question. Good answer. Yes. Next. I don't know the reason why he did not come to school. Very good. Clap for these two children. Okay. Answer the questions given. Now I'll ask you questions and you have to answer why. Okay? My first question is, why should I brush my teeth every day? Do you all brush your teeth every day? Yes. All of you? Yes, okay. So my question is, why should I brush my teeth every day? Now there's a long gap, there's a dash, and you have to fill in the answer. Clear, students? My next question is, why should we eat healthy food? I repeat, why should we eat healthy food? All of you like to eat healthy food? All of you are healthy? Okay, so do your answer at home. The third question is, why should we wash our hands before eating? All of you wash your hands before eating? Yes. Now you have to write the answer on your own. Next question is, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Do you feel hot or cold in winter? You feel cold. Okay, so my question is, why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Yes. Why do we use umbrellas in rainy season? Children, what happens in rainy season? Rain falls and people get wet. So my question is, why do we use umbrellas in rainy season? My next question is, why should you walk in straight lines in the corridors? When you walk on the corridors in the school or at other places, you walk in straight lines or do you run away? You walk in straight lines, isn't it? So why should you walk in straight lines in the corridor? My next question is, why should we come to school on time? All of you come to school on time. Sometimes you are late, and what happens? The gate is closed. So you have to go back or you have to stand till the assembly completes. Okay, so my question is, why should we come to school on time? And you have to give the answer and you have to do it at home. Activity for you. Now I will give the answer and you have to frame the question. It's just the other way. Okay. Now first one is done for you. My answer is, he came late because he missed the bus. I repeat, he came late because he missed the bus. So question is, why did he come late? Clear? So we will read the question and answer together. Why did he come late? He came late because he missed his bus. So you can make out answers from the question. See, look at the question. He come late. Come becomes came, becomes past tense. So he came late because he missed the bus. Now answer 2. She was angry because her vase was broken. She was angry because her vase was broken. Okay, so you will frame a question for this answer. Okay, third one is, Meeta cried because she had lost her purse. Meeta cried because she had lost her purse. Now don't raise your hands, this is for homework. Okay. There is, Anjali laughed because she heard a joke. Clear? Anjali laughed because she heard a joke. Next answer, Garima shouted because the servant misbehaved with her. Garima shouted because the servant misbehaved with her. My last answer is, I jumped because I saw a cockroach. I jumped because I saw a cockroach. Now this is your home assignment. You have to frame questions at home. Clear, students? That's all for today. Have you understood the lesson? All of you? Okay, thank you and keep asking why.